little artists! Are you ready to draw something super fun today? Today, we are going to draw a funny cartoon computer.
Yay!
Let's start drawing together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw two big, cute eyes. Draw two big circles side by side. Now draw a small, smiling mouth under the eyes. Now draw a big rectangle behind the eyes. Another one inside. This is the computer monitor. Now draw two cute hearts, one on each side of the mouth. Next, draw a small rectangle base under the monitor. This is the monitor stand. Now draw a long rectangle for the keyboard. Inside it, draw many small rectangles for the keys.
La da 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 dee.
Let's draw the mouse. Draw an oval shape and divide it into 3 parts. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Wow! It's looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Show your color pens. Today we will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Wow! Amazing coloring, everyone! You all did a fantastic job today. Keep practicing, keep drawing, and keep smiling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next fun drawing video on Toddlers Art Hub.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.